Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM DLC files are missing or corrupt. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. Now, depending where you're installed your game on, so we've got Steam and Epic Games, going to run through these. So first fix is Steam. Open up Steam and we need to verify game files. So click onto library and then right click onto GTA 5. I don't have it on this Steam account, but I'll just show you how to do it on this other game. So I'm going to right click this, click on the properties, then to the right we need to click onto installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files and then just let that run through. If there are any issues, they'll fix it here. Now, if you've got Epic Games, open up Epic Games Launcher and then basically go to library, click on the three dots on GTA 5 and then press verify. These will download any missing DLC files. Now, next fix is to delete the FiveM cache. So on your window, on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R. That's going to open up a run. Then from here, we need to copy this code in. So it is local app data, FiveM data. So click on OK. And then once you're inside of there, delete all files, clear everything inside that folder, but make sure not to delete the folder itself. And then you want to restart FiveM after that process. Also make sure GTA 5 is updated, so FiveM requires the latest version of GTA 5. So open your launcher, make sure there are no pending updates. Now if you still have any issues, I suggest just basically reinstalling FiveM. So uninstall FiveM and then download FiveM again from the official site, reinstall it.